This is the video that will finally help you fix the Waves MaxxAudio service causing high CPU or RAM usage. If your computer slows down because of it, stay with me because this will make everything very simple. Are you also facing this problem where Waves MaxxAudio Service keeps running in the background and consumes a lot of system resources? This usually happens when the service is corrupted, outdated, or conflicts with Windows audio drivers. Many people get frustrated because their PC becomes laggy, programs take longer to open, and performance drops. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to uninstall Windows updates, delete files manually, or run long command line scripts that are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, those methods wasted my time. But I fixed it with one secret, easy trick that reduces MaxxAudio resource usage and restores normal PC performance. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing this easy trick, just comment down below. I will guide you clearly, so anyone can follow it without confusion or risk. And for more simple Windows audio and performance fixes like this, stay connected with my channel reinstalling because I always share easy solutions anyone can use to solve problems fast and safely.